Hi everyone, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Skirad Blogs, and this is on career tips. And today we are talking about one simple topic with three strategies. This will be a very short video, so do take time as I am running short of time. I have to do this in a very short way. The quick three things is what we are doing is how to build career momentum. The way to build career momentum is very simple. There are three defined strategies to build career momentum. Define your top three before you start the work. So, your top three things that you need to do, you have to mention before even you start your day because that's going to work in a very, very important manner. Second is a single task environment. Means at any given point of time you're doing one task. Well, I don't totally agree to it. Sometimes you'll have to do multitasking because you have to do simultaneously two tasks. Sometimes you are having enough time to do that one task and then jump to the second task. So that will be. So in this case, I will say single or dual task environment depends on the situation. Third will be a clean transition. Clean transition means we are transitioning from one task to another task. Here we are talking about how to build career momentum, but I am also thinking about the kind of work movement. So career movement, transition from one role to another. So when you do focus fully on one task and then grow, but doing one task, it will become repetitive and monotonous. So you will have to have multiple jumps here and there to make yourself work for that. And that's the whole story, and that's what it is all about. That's a very short 2 minutes video, not describing much, but telling you the hard fact truth. So, with that, thank you very much. Closing this podcast and understand that what I told in that 2 minutes video, making sure that you understand that because I'm keeping it raw and unedited because I want to make sure you understand what is it and what it work and what it takes to build all these things. If I cut, edit everything, it will not look good. That's why I'm keeping it raw for your benefit, for your growth. Thank you very much for supporting the channel and watching the videos. If you haven't watched, please do watch and please do like the video, share the video, subscribe the video and the channel and also spread the word of mouth. Thank you very much. See you until the next vlog.